Very good morning to dear parents and dear students. So in this video, we are going to study about light. It is chapter number 16 from class 8th NCERT. See, what is light? What do you understand by light? We all know that we all have a sense organ, and towards this sense organ we have the one important, that is sense of sight, and this sense of sight is with the help of your light. Light makes things visible. Okay, so we can't stay all time in dark. We need light because we have a sense organ eye which will make us to see things. Okay, so what is light? Light is an electromagnetic radiation within a certain portion of electromagnetic spectrum. So light means that which is making the things visible. Light is falling on an object and it is making that particular object visible. This is your light. Why are we able to see the things? We are able to see the things because light helps us to see the things. Light, it falls on an object and it gets reflected back to our eyes. From eyes, it is interpreted and we can see the object. We are not able to see the object in the dark. The reason is that because there is no light in the dark, so it will not get reflected back. So the reason for object to see is that we are able to see them because it gets reflected. And from here we have reflection of light. When light falls on a polished or a shiny surface, it changes its direction. This is called reflection of light. Okay. So what happens? Light is falling on an object, it will bounce back. This will be your reflection of light. So from this reflection of light, we have various definitions. First is your incident ray. The ray of light which strikes the surface is called the incident ray. The ray which comes back after the reflection is called the reflected ray. The perpendicular line drawn at the point of incident is called the normal. The angle between the normal and the incident ray is called the angle of incidence. The angle between the normal and the reflected ray is called the angle of reflection. Then we have the two laws of light. The two laws of reflection of light is the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal lie on the same plane. These are the two laws of reflection. Then we see ourselves in a mirror, that is the image formed in a plane mirror. What are the characteristics of image formed in a plane mirror? The image is erect, the image is of the same size as the object. The image is at the same distance from the mirror as the object. The image is virtual. Virtual means it cannot be obtained on screen. The image is laterally inverted. What does this lateral inversion means? What is this lateral inverted image? Lateral inversion means that when you lift up your right hand in front of the mirror, it appears that you are lifting up your left hand. Okay, so right hand is appeared to be your left hand. This is your lateral inversion. Okay, where left appears to be right and right appears to be left. This is called as your lateral inversion. Okay, then we have another reflections, like we have regular reflections and diffused reflection. Regular reflection is when parallel ray of light falls on a smooth surface, the reflected rays are parallel. This is called regular reflection. Irregular reflection is when parallel ray of light falls on the rough surface and the reflected rays are not parallel. They are called as irregular reflection or they are called as diffused reflection. Okay, so in this video we have covered the important topics of light, reflection of light, laws of reflection of light, lateral inversion, regular and diffused reflection. Thank you very much for watching this video.